The topic of this video is working with the properties of logarithms. Let's look at a problem. Use properties of logarithms to evaluate 4 raised to the exponent power log base 4 of 7. Don't use a calculator. Okay, so the first thing I'd like to point out is where all of these items are sitting. If you were to write this on line notebook paper, it's the 4 that's sitting on the line, and the entire exponent log base 4 of 7 is raised up. Okay, so let's see if we can figure out which log rule is going to help us in this particular problem. This rule doesn't come up too often, but it is a very useful rule. And the rule that we're going to use here is log rule 4, which says a raised to the power log base a of m equals m. A raised to the power log base a of m equals m. All right, so let's go ahead and compare. So we can see here that our base a is 4, and in fact, every time a base shows up in our problem, it's 4. That's important. It has to be consistent. And the argument of the exponent, the logarithm in the exponent, m, is 7. So m corresponds to 7 in this particular problem. Okay, so we can see that what they've given us matches the form of this particular log rule. And as I said before, this is rule 4. I probably should have labeled that a little earlier. Sorry about that. So the answer is just going to be m. M is 7, so we get 7. So 4 raised to the power log base 4 of 7 equals 7. Final answer.